Hi everyone, I'm Cherie Criswell, independent designer for Couture. And today I'm working on these really cute wood houses. They're 5x7. My husband made these. He also made roofs for them, which you'll see at the end of the video. Now Couture has these cutouts also, if you don't have somebody like my husband to cut them out for you. And I'm using their transfer house patterns, and you can see they have quite a few different options to take and use. They have the saying, "Love makes our house a home, home sweet home." They have a bunch of different patterns, and they have some windows and some doors. You can really make some cute things with this. Now, we originally stained these, and then I painted them and distressed the edges where I thought it would be kind of worn. And then we waxed them and I chalked them. I used mostly the colors of the blue and the turquoise. You can use any color you want. We have lots of options there. And it's just the same thing as always. You squeegee it on, take off the excess, and pull off your pattern, your Silkscreen transfer. I have used some other transfers, some older ones that I've had, so you can mix and match this any way you want. Now this way, with the key, I wanted to make it antique. Older looking. So after I did it in silver, I went over it in spots with black. Kind of make it tarnished look. And here with the words, "Home Sweet Home," I just used our velvet black paste. It was fun to just make up all these different houses. I would do some of it and let it dry and go to the next house and then come back to it and finish it up. I did part of them in blue and part of them in turquoise. Here I'm just putting the hearts on them. Wait till you see the roofs, they're so cute. I think I mentioned before, they're 5x7 in size and they stand alone because they're about an inch thick. And they're so cute. I love these windows. And then I took another transfer and I put on there, on a few of them, "Welcome" and "Gather," and then just took a ribbon and tied it around the front. Just add a little embellishment to it. These are so cute grouped together too. Don't they look good? Wait, there's another picture of all of them. So cute. I think the roof absolutely makes them. I love it. Thanks for watching.